maximize the workspace. So when it opens, you find this as the first page, as the first screen after starting your AutoCAD. So you find this at the left side, start drawing, and these are a list of drawings that I've opened previously on AutoCAD. So assuming you are a fresher, you are new to it, so the first thing you want to do is to click on start drawing. Okay, so when you click on start drawing, you're going to have a page appear to you like this. So up here you have the big A icon. So this is where if you want to print your drawings, you want to publish, you want to export, this is where you go to. But the first thing we want to do is to set up our workspace. So some people prefer working on AutoCAD with these graphs, while some other person prefer working with it as a plain workspace. So if you want to turn off the graph, you just come down to this place and you click on it, so it goes off. Click on this little graph icon at the bottom, it goes off. You click on it again, it comes on. So for the sake of our eyes, some people prefer working on the workspace environment, the model environment, as a dark space, because this reflects blue ray light into the eyes, which is not good for your eyes. So but it gives a realistic environment, because when you print your drawings, they come out on a white paper space. So what you want to do, if you want to turn it black because of your eyes, you can come to the big A, you click on A. So you come to the big A, you click on options. Then under display, there's file, display, open, plot, system, user preference. So under display, you see color here, you click on colors, then you come to where you see white at your right side, then you click on black. So you click on apply and close, apply, okay, so it changes to black. So you have a black workspace. So you can change it back. I prefer using the white because it gives me more of the realistic feel. Like it helps me to see how my lines and everything, the color that I'm choosing for the furnitures and everything appears when I print it on a white paper. So I click apply, then okay. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to set our limits. Now limits helps to define the boundary of the space you're working on, because this is a big infinite space. So it's best when you're starting a new drawing, set your limit. So you type limit, type it on your keyboard. It's supposed to appear this way. So this is the way AutoCAD works. You type your command, then you click on enter. Then we're going to use the boundary of an A3 paper. So 0, 0, that's the edge. When you type 0, you say comma, then 0 again, then you click enter. Then we're going to use the size of an A3 paper. That's the standard size of printing drawings. So we'll use 4200, 2970. Enter. Z, enter. A, enter. That's zoom and make it to the actual size. So the next thing you want to do is to set your units. After you set your units, click enter. Then you leave it at decimal, change this to degree, minute, seconds. Then you change the precision to 0, change it to millimeters, leave it already there. Then leave this at 0 degrees, international. Then you click OK. So you've been able to successfully set up your workspace, and from there we can proceed to look at the toolbars up here. at the next class.